Hello friends, I'm Elsa, and I'm Anna, and today we'll be making a Play-Doh cake, a big Play-Doh cake, yay! First off, we have our Play-Doh. Here's a bit of the green Play-Doh, and a blue Play-Doh, red Play-Doh, and our giant pink Play-Doh. Yay! So first off, we get our pink Play-Doh and we mold it. Roll, 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 roll in your palms till you get a. So then you roll, roll, roll in your hands until you get this smooth ball, and you place it in a bowl like this. Yeah, like that. Now we start our decorations. So we take the pink Play-Doh, mold it like this until you get a really long mold of your Play-Doh. Oopsie daisy. Ta-da! Da-da, da-da, da-da. I am green, green, green Play-Doh. So you mold it to get this long snake-like figure, and you take it around your Play-Doh like this. See that? Yoo-hoo! And then set it properly on your dish or your bowl or your plate, whatever. Anna, can you please get the red Play-Doh? Okay, Elsa, now. Or red Play-Doh. So you roll it and roll it and you roll it and roll, roll, roll. It's a red, red Play-Doh. You see, roll it till you get this snake-like. You put it right up the green Play-Doh on the pink Play-Doh. Oh my, it's gonna be a perfect cake. Yeah. And then we take the blue Play-Doh and we roll it again. You roll, 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 roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it. You roll it till you get the snake-like figure again. You put it right on the cake. And now smoothen it. Yep. We need more green there. Snake-like figure again of the green. And yeah. We do that there. Yoo-hoo! Now I took a little bit of all the colors and I rolled it right like the snake-like figure, and I place it right on our cake. Cut the two edges like so, and yay! We have a perfect cake. So friends, that's our cake. I hope you enjoyed making it. And with all the colors, hope you try this at home. Bye. Wait, first of all, we need to show you the cake. Here it is. A Play-Doh cake. Elsa, can we eat it? No, Anna. It's just a Play-Doh. Aww. Yeah, a Play-Doh cake. See you guys. Bye.